This app claims to pay you for just playing the Ludo game. And guys, today we're going to test this app practically to see if what they claim is totally correct or they're just clickbaiting us to use the app. And we're going to test every nook and cranny of this app to see if what they claim is real or is fake. So we all need money. So guys, who doesn't need money? So let's test this app to see if what they claim is truly correct. Maybe we could make money of this app. Let's see. So watch to the end of this video, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're going to get more valuable content from this my channel. Make sure you're subscribed. And let me switch over to my phone and show you practically about this app. So first and first, they said they were going to create an account, a Google account or with our phone number, but I would prefer a Google account. So I'm going to click on the Google account here to create an account with my email, my Gmail, with my Gmail address. So the app is loading, and so I'm going to select. I have different email addresses, so I'm going to select one of my email just to test it and let's see. So you will possibly experience too, and maybe how you can make profit of it or the risk that's attached to it also. So the app is loading and I'm going to show you guys. So make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Guys, I love you guys. Please subscribe. So it's loading right now and let's see. So I've already logged in on this app earlier before. I just tested it for a while. I think that's why my balance is a little bit down. I think so. So, but it's almost the same thing that you see also in your own on your own app. I think that's why it's like it's negative. I think that's why. So, but it's almost basically almost the same thing. So now they said first of all we are going to play game with 25 naira. So we're just let's follow what the instruction we are saying, guys. So they said we'll play with 25 naira. So I've clicked play and let's see. It's loading. So that's just it. So when you log in on the homepage, they're going to force you to play first with the 25 naira. As you can see here, they will force you to play. So let's see how the game interface is, the do game interface is. So the interface is the same thing as the normal Ludo game that you play on your own. So it's basically so let's say now they're showing us that's the dice, this dice to click this dice. So let's see. And now this game is a game of time. If you look at there's a time reading, there's a timer reading here. So you need to look out for this also. So 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 I feel if you don't play, maybe your opponents can also play also. So let's see. So this I should click this. So guys, let's see. What did I do next? So this just looks like a basically like a normal Ludo game. And okay, so you should roll the dice. And so if you look, there is a point. I may have 7 points, and the other person has 15 points. So I think point is important very well in this game, and also your time. You need to watch out for the time also. So let's see. So this just looks like a normal Ludo game, normal Ludo game, guys. Sorry. So this just looks like a normal Ludo game. So, so I've eliminated one of his men, just like a normal one of the my opponent. Let's see, guys. What did I get? Five. Let's see. I've eliminated another one. So it's just like it just basically works like a normal video game, like elimination of your opponent in the game. So let's see. My point is now higher, and my opponent's point is now lower. So you've eliminated me, guys. Jesus, you've eliminated. Jesus, I've gone down to five. Jesus Christ. So this app is very, very, very. Let's see if it's possible to say to make money of it, and let's see what I will learn from this. What you can learn from this, guys. See, our time is remaining 3 minutes. So I think time is very important in this game. So we need to be very, very careful. Our time is remaining 3 minutes here. Jesus. Okay. So I'm gonna be fast. So our time is remaining 1 minute here. So it's my turn now. One. So once you eliminate somebody, they give you an extra time again, extra like turn to play again. So I think I should eliminate this guy here. Okay, no, not possible to eliminate him. Six, four. One, two, three, four. I think I should eliminate this guy. So guys, you have 1 minute remaining now in this game, and let's see how it works. So far, I think I'm winning. My points is very high. So we're going to see how they say we can make money of this game. So at the end, I'm going to give you my personal review of what I've seen in the app and everything. So guys, they're now giving us our result like who won. I feel like I think I won the game because my score is very high. So but let's see what they will give us, guys, for the app in this app. So guys, I won the game and they gave me 45 naira for just playing this game. Just 45 naira for just playing this game. Now this is amazing. And so I got 76 points and the other my opponent got 32 points. So I made 45 naira of this app to show you that maybe this app just to show you that this app really give prizes and you win as you play the game. So, but I want to check out their homepage. So they said I made 45 naira. So I can withdraw this money, right? 45 naira, withdraw 45 naira. Should I withdraw? Let me see. So you click on withdraw money. So yeah, right here you can impute your bank account. You see, there are different banks here, like your our normal commercial banks. So then you impute your account number here, then the money will be sent to you directly in your account. Then here you can come here to deposit. Maybe if you want to add money to your account so you can play more, then here is where you deposit your money. As I can see here, this is my personal review, and as I can see here. So this is where you come to deposit. You click on this plus icon, you commit to deposit, and you can withdraw directly from here inside the app to your bank account. And these are maybe challenges you can play with other people. Then here you these are where the amount you will stick in to play. So once you I think you play with 8,000 naira, you win 13,500 naira if you in you win 35,500 naira. So the game is really amazing. I think you guys should check this out. This is where you can be earning maybe you can be earning money. Imagine staking 8,000 naira and getting maybe 13,500 naira. Guys, this is really wonderful. Yeah, you can even play as low as 30 naira to get 55 naira, guys. So, guys, you guys should check out this app, and this is one of the ways you can earn money. And I believe in this app, and after this, I'm going to deposit and take this very seriously. So, you guys should check this app out and play this game. And this is where you can be earning free daily incomes. Maybe even if you have a normal regular job, this can be a side income for you. Okay. So that's it for the Ludo Naira, and I think you should check it out. You guys can check it out, and I think it works, guys. Peace out.